this is my lovely view while I'm basically stuck here. I'm waiting for a tow truck. Yeah. Wonderful things happen. It's riding my mobility scooter. Well, recreational scooter is what it's called. It's a trike. And what am I? 2 minutes into the ride. 200-pound plus scooter. And the battery dies, though it shows full strength and it hasn't been ridden since charged. And I tried to tell my scooter repair guy this, but evidently I don't know what I'm talking about, because I told him the battery was acting erratically. He told me that could be normal, and these are basically new batteries. Yeah, baby, new batteries. Yep. So this is what happens when you, as the customer, know nothing and your repair guy knows absolutely nothing too.